there, and this is a short summary of the solo jive routine for our beginners solo work. Now I taught this on Monday the 10th of August, and that is beginners solo jive routine number 2. So it's not the solo jive routine 2 from the 6-week jive course, but if you are looking in the videos, it was the solo ballroom beginners class on Monday the 10th of August, and this is the short summary of the routine. Here we go. We had an 8 count basic. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 2 tap steps and 2 chassis forwards, very small. Tap, tap, chassis and chassis, and they were slightly crossed over at the front. The next part was to come backwards with 2 big tap steps, tap, step, and 2 bigger chassis coming back, chassis and chassis. So I made quite a drama about coming back. So small forwards, large back. That was bar 2 and 3. Next part, 4 flicking steps. Flick, step, flick, step, flick, step, flick, step. Okay, let's just do those together. We've got back and triple, back and triple, tap, tap, chassis, chassis, big tap, chassis and chassis, flick, 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 flick. Second half of the routine, we got a little bit more complicated. Double flick to the corner and a back ball change to the other side. Flick, flick, back and change. Flick, flick, back and change. Boogie woogie twists, walking forwards for 4, and then 2 drunken sailors coming backwards. Twist, 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 sailor back, sailor back. Let's do all 7 bars so far all together. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Flick, 2, 3 and 4. Flick, flick, back and change. Flick, flick, back and change. Twist, 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 sailor back, sailor back. Last 2 steps. We did a mooch, both directions, and then we did the stalking walks, and then we had a little boogie on the spot. Mooch first. Quarter turn, look to the right. Back, step, kick, kick, back, step, travel, back, step, kick, and kick, back, step, travel. That was the mooch on its own, both sides. And then the back step and the little stalking walks. So I did back, step, walk, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and a twist and twist and twist and twist, and we hung out on the spot until we got to the front. And then depending on the style of the music you were dancing to, you might have had little Elvis Presley knees or some more twisting on the spot, just until the phrase of the song came back in and it felt appropriate to restart the routine. Whole thing from the top, my counting. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. I nearly forgot where I was. Flicking for 4. Kick, kick, double turn. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And a 1, 2, 3, 4. Sailors, sailors, mooch. Back step, travel, back step, kick and kick, back step, travel, stalking walks, walk, and till you run out of space, and going round some little twists, and then hanging out depending on the music. Music, lots of different styles, so many of the jives there, and don't forget, check out in the members page. So if you're on the website and you're viewing this video, you are somewhere in my members website. Go over to the members account, or it says at the top my account, drop down the little menu, You'll see on the left hand side it says dance steps and notes in our members area. Again, lots of little links there, origins of Jive documents, lots of things for you. I'll see you soon.